and welcome to training on how to add an open house to your listing. To begin, log into IQ Office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your office administrator. From your main dashboard, you can click on Listings shortcut to go to your main listings dashboard. Select the listing you would like to add the open house to and go to the Open House tab at the top of the listing. Schedule an open house by clicking the green Schedule Open House button or the plus new button in the upper right hand corner. This will open the open house wizard. Select what agent will be holding the open house, the date, start and end time of the open house. If you wish to add additional days, click on Add Dates. Once you have finished adding your dates, click on Finish to add the open house. You can see all scheduled future and past open houses on this tab. Once you are done, click Close to exit back to your main listing screen. This has been training on how to add an open house to your listing. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.